samahan niyo ako at tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano ito gagawin. First of all, sa ating mga paggawa ng emojis o badges, kailangan natin guys meron tayong mga supported formats na ginagamit dyan. There are 4 requirements. Meron tayong supported format. This is either GIF, PNG, or JPEG. And the minimum size is 32 by 32 pixels. And the upload size is must be less than 1 MB. And the aspect ratio is 1:1. At tara, naturo ko sa inyo kung paano ito ginagawa. Ito ang example ng ating mga emojis. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Share ko sa inyo ang ating window or ang ating screen. Ayan guys, ang ating emojis ginagamit. Ito yung membership, duration. Ayan ang ating new member. This is the badge. This is the badge for new member. After 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months or 2 years. So you can upload your own emojis or your own badge or use a generic YouTube badges. So I prefer to upload my own badges like this. And there are emojis that we are allowed to upload. It depends upon our number of subscribers. Emojis are fun graphics that members can use in live chat and comments in your videos. Upload ones that help fans express emotion, reaction, or share inside jokes. Your emoji will appear in the emoji picker. Your member can also use emoji in comments and live chat by typing immediately before and after the emoji name. For example, if the emoji name is wow, members can type wow to make it appear. Yan, this is what our emoji looks like. Supported format is also GIF, PNG, JPEG. Minimum size the same as the badges, 32 by 32 pixels. Upload size is less than 1 MB. Aspect ratio is 1:1. And these are some of the examples of my emoji. Ayan ang ating mga samples ng ating emoji. So far we have 11 emojis. At 10 emoji, 1 more member needed. As you gain more members, you can upload and share even more emojis. Yeah, and this is our how to edit this emoji. And we have this key. And then if you take action here, you can replace image or remove the image. Then we have no, we cannot make any action here because it is already in database. So cancel. Then excuse me, to make this emoji, I just go to Paint, guys. I'm just using simple tool. This is the Paint. Just type Paint from your desktop browser, and then you can see here the Paint tools. So you can make this simple as it is, like a letter. Let's say for example, shout out nga pala sa ating nag-request ng ating tutorial ngayon, si Jeanette Vlog, ang ating kaibigan at monetized channel. Kaya once you get monetized, you will need to make emojis and badges. So shout out sa iyo. Ayan, and Let's try to make it more bigger. And then for the G, let's make it 300. Okay. Different color. And then make it color the okay, and let's color the background with the red. Okay. Then this select resize it to our specification, and then maintain the ratio. It says let's make it 32 by 32 pixels. Okay. Then you can save this, save as JPEG picture. You can change it. So remember guys, the requirement must be JPEG, GIF or PNG. So you can use this too, but I am also I'm always using JPEG. And then name this emoji tool. And save sa picture. Then try to upload it here. Replace this one. Replace the image. Then you can see where it's emoji. Then open. So this is our emoji. Then you can save and publish it if you want. Okay, let's save and publish. Click here. You want to save and publish this. Okay. So you have now your own emoji. How about badges? This is the same with badges. If you want to make badges, you can make badges by going to edit, and then go to badges view. This is our badges, and then you can go to edit this one. So you can edit like this here. You can always edit wherever you want. Let's say you want to edit this after 24 months. Replace. Yeah. So before you go to edit, you have to first make what is your badges that you want. So you can make new badges. The same size with our what we have. You can always open a picture or anything. Remember, you can only use your own pictures. Do not upload pictures that does not belong to you. So you can make your own pictures or get some pictures from your library anywhere you want. Let's say for example some pictures, or you can make your own picture. You can track some from your pictures. Let's say downloads or pictures here. Let's say you want to use your picture like this one. Do you want to save changes? Then save and title. Save this one. You want to use this as your picture, you can crop here. So you want this to use. Here and then crop. Then make it the size, resize it. You can always resize it. Then click the percentage. Don't maintain the first aspect ratio. Then click pixels, make it 32 by 32. Then click OK. So this will be your. You can save this and then choose whatever you want. Then make it. Let's say you want to make it your picture as badges. You can always name this badge 1. Then save. Let's copy. So that's it, and then try to replace it here. So we will replace the image. Then look for replacement. Then look for your badge here. Open. Then it is now being replaced here. Then save and publish. So that is it. That's it. How you will make an emoji in a simple way using only paint. So you can see here my badges is now in the gallery of my different gallery of my emoji and badges. So you can edit here your emoji in your YouTube gallery, in your YouTube studio. And that's all. Like my tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep you updated sa mga upcoming videos ko.